Hey guys, this is Jenny B reviewing the Brettman Wet n Wild collection. I don't have all of the products, but I have some of them, so I thought I might as well just make a video out of it. And this goes for $14.99, and I picked this up at Walgreens. I think it's a little pricey for Wet n Wild. I think it should have been like $10 on my eyeshadow base, and today I'm going to be using the Anastasia eye base. Adding this on the eye. Like I said with the P. Louise one, I do not swipe or rub on. Okay, so I'm going to use a JS5. I'm going to jump into the color Flamingo. So I'm going to put that into my crease. Okay, so that pink is on. Take this Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm going to take a Coconut Connoisseur, this white, and I'm going to clean up the edges and buff this out. The Morphe M330, which just is another blending brush. I'm going to take a Morphe M433, color Ape Shit, and I'm going to deepen up my crease with that brown. Hopefully this brown works, because I don't feel like you can mess up with brown. Okay, so I'm just deepening this up with the Ape Shit. Okay, so I'm going to clean up my eyelid with the Vaseline and the art brush. Take this snowy flat brush, and I'm going to cut out my crease. Doesn't work no more, but tells a lot of stories about youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But a shop was built right across the street. It stands by the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. I'm going to take the JS11. So I'm going to take the color Don't Be Lying, this one right here, and I'm going to tack that onto my lid. Okay, so I'm going to need to wet this ship. Just like that. And then I'm going to take the color Proud, this like pressed glitter, and I'm going to press that onto my lid also. See how this works. Oh yeah, it looks way better when the brush is wet. Okay, so I'm going to add this Color Pop glitter in Renegade. So I'm just going to press this onto my lid using this packer brush from his collection. So I'm just packing this glitter on.
so I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to finish the other eye. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I went off camera and I did the other eye. I added lashes, Ardell Faux Mink in the style 858. Put those on, and I did my wing liner. So now we're going to do the bottom. I'm going to take this Morphe M321, and I am going to go into the color Pounce on them, which is that orange. And I'm going to buff this under my eye. Okay, so now that I smoked that out, I'm going to use the shade Toucan Play at that game, which is this darker red. And I'm going to use the same brush and put this under my eye. I'm going to put this NYX Wonder Pencil in my watermelon. And I'm going to take the shade Don't Be Lion, and I'm going to hit that into my corner. I might use the highlighter as an inner corner shade, but just right now I'm going to try this. So I need to hit my lower lashes with this Wet n Wild mascara.
Since she got a family of her own, it's capital apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now
I'm going to use the highlighter, and I'm going to use the gold. So I'm just going to push that. It's actually really kind of cool how it's two components, you know, to take the Brettman Rock highlighting brush, and I'm going to dip, and I'm going to apply. And this is without any wet brush. And then I'm going to take this Eddie Funkhauser Domed Blending, which I got this in my Ipsy bag. And then a little bit of liquid.
I just hope their stories will still be told.
And then I'm also going to do my inner part. Such a pretty highlight. Okay, so this is the look that I came up with the Brettman Rock collection. I'm going to go over what I liked and what I didn't like. Okay, so first I'm going to go over the palette. This is the Brettman Rock Wet n Wild palette, and looks like this. Bunch of different colors you could work with. Good palette, look wise. I didn't like the shadows that were matte, like Anaconda didn't come up looking like that. Feeling Myself was patchy. The blue, which I was so excited about the blue, that barely comes off. You could barely see that. The green really excites me. I really like the green. It's good in this palette. The Prow was good, and Coconut Connoisseur was good. but I really didn't like it that much. It was too patchy, not enough pigment. The shimmers are okay if you add them with a wet brush. But yeah, I didn't care for this. Then next is the highlight, which I loved the highlight. The highlight is beautiful, especially this shimmer side. It is pretty. Then the other side with the more chunky glitter, I would use this as a eye topper. There's chunks of glitter, but this is what more chunky. Right there and then right there. But this would be pretty as an eye topper, so I'm gonna give that a try. But I really did like the highlighter. The highlighter, okay. The finishing spray or the facial spray, which I really enjoyed this too. It smells good. It's got shimmer in it, so you just spray your face. Let me spray my face one more time. And it just leaves the slightest bit of glow. So the highlighter brush, perfect brush, and it reminds me of the Morphe M451. Same kind of brush. This one, I think, is like 10 bucks. And this one was $7.99. So if you don't want to spend 10 to 12 bucks on this Morphe one, I suggest you pick up this highlighting brush for $7.99. They are like the same. Last brush I have is the Packer brush. I used this to pack on my glitter on my eye, and it worked perfect. It was $6.99. I feel like $6.99, this is a little too expensive for a Packer brush. An eye brush, this should have been like $4, I feel like. But whatever they want to charge, they're going to charge. That was my review, Wet n Wild collection. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below with any suggestions, comments. Till next time, this is Jimmy B,